Another change with watchOS 2 is that you'll notice that apps load much faster than watchOS 1.0. And the reason for that is because the apps on the Apple Watch can now run natively. They don't have to be sourced from the iPhone and ran from the iPhone. So every time you click on an individual complication or go into an app, it's going to load straight from the Apple Watch itself. And you just saw that my calendar event just changed to 3:05 because we're approaching that now. But let me go ahead and show you what it means. So I'm going to tap on the activity complication here. Let's see how fast it loads. So that was like really almost instantaneous. Okay, this time let's go ahead and tap on calendar events and see how fast we get it. That's instantaneous. Just click back. Let's try this with one more app and just test and see how fast the weather app opens up. Instantaneous, much quicker than watchOS 1.0. Not only is this great for load times with your apps and just making things much faster in this version of software, but third-party apps can actually use the hardware directly now. So they can use the microphone in the Apple Watch, they can use the heart rate monitor, and even the accelerometer to track movement and subtle changes. And I'm actually going to show you in the next video a third-party app called Sleep++ that tracks your sleep throughout the night and measures your movement using the accelerometer directly to evaluate the quality of sleep that you've had throughout the night. So let's go ahead and jump into that video right now.